Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glass retainer in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flathead blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new glass retainer. There are a couple of glass retainers used in this fridge. One of each is mounted at the rear corner of the crisper cover assembly. The glass retainer locks the glass shelf in place. The most common reason to replace the glass retainer is if it breaks and no longer holds the glass or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open both refrigerator doors. The glass retainers are located in the back of the crisper cover assembly, one on the left and one on the right corners. I'm going to use a small flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to pry this glass retainer up and remove it. This is the old glass retainer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to bring in the new glass retainer and I'm going to install it into this opening with one side in. And I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press the opposite side in, the tabs. I'm going to hold it like that and push it down. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.